I'm here today to visit Lisa from Glow Magazine to see what I can do to help her clean up her medicine cabinet and make sure medications are safe.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Come on in.
Got a great kitchen here.
Thanks. Right here is where I keep my health products.
Oh, right here in this
Yeah.
cabinet. Wow, spacious. Lots of products. May I suggest that medicine cabinets would be best away from humidity? The sink may often affect the stability of the medication, so you might want to choose a place where medications are not affected by the temperatures.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah.
I'll move them.
So I'm going to take these out and then we
Okay.
can sort them, and normally I recommend doing this at least twice a year. Taking out any products that are expired and any products that you no longer use. And
There might be a few expired ones.
no problem. I'll sort them all out for you. We'll make sure that the medications are safe for you to take and that they're disposed of properly. So at Shoppers Drug Mart, we have a medication disposal program. This program will take medications and get them disposed of by environmental standards.
Over the counter too?
Over-the-counter
Okay.
products. Any medications are over-the-counter products.
Okay, great.
As well. So this is expiring soon. So we've got
Oh,
October
okay.
2014. Now, usually with expiration date, you want to look at to the end of the month, unless it's specified with a date.
Oh, okay.
So this would be the end of October. Expired, definitely expired. That can go to. That's okay. That means you're very healthy.
Well, that's good.
Yes.
It's getting a bit
The
embarrassing.
Band-Aids expired too. Some of them actually have antibiotics in there. That's why there's an expiration date. Well, Lisa, I noticed that you've got some seasonal allergy medications here.
Yeah.
So, which is a good thing. Now, may I suggest that for allergic reactions, for emergencies, for example, bee stings or poison ivy, something that causes rash or severe swelling, you might want to consider having also antihistamine that kicks in much faster. So something like this, the Life brand diphenhydramine. That will be able to help you control the allergic reaction.
Oh, okay.
If you've got 3 or more medications, we can organize them in different time slots. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and bedtime, so that way you will not miss a dose.
Oh, that's really smart.
Always remember that medications, you should never stop a medication unless you talk to your doctor or your pharmacist.
So not when I'm feeling better then?
No, for example, if you are taking an antibiotic for a bacterial infection, if you stop 3 or 4 days into the course and you feel better, bacteria can still come back.
Oh, I didn't know
It could be
that.
worse.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's definitely important to talk to your pharmacist or your doctor before stopping.
Good to know. Good to know. Thank you so much, Christine.
Oh, thank you, Lisa, for your time. It's a pleasure.
Oh, thanks.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah, you said to clean out the medicine cabinet twice a year, right?
Yes.
So when's the best time to do that, and how do I know?
Oh, that's a
when to do
great
it
question.
again?
Doesn't matter what time of the year, as long as it's evenly spaced out, about 6 months, I'd say.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
It's
Nice
great
to meet you
you
again.
Bye.
Don't forget to visit us at shoppersdrugmart.ca or simply visit us at Shoppers Drug Mart and ask your pharmacist about the services that we can help you and your overall health. Thank you.